Hello everyone, good evening. This is Michael from Primers Concept Tutorials. I'm taking on graphics and I told you to download your Adobe Spark Post. Now, if you check here, now this is the interface. It contains a lot of templates that we can actually use to design. Some are actually paid for, so lifestyle, business school, and any of them, so we can actually edit any of them if we want to actually create a quick design. But we are not starting with them, we are starting afresh today. So first of all, you just click on your this plus sign here. Now this plus sign, it contains tons of picture. You can see free photos. You can use your gallery, any of pictures, like in case you are a businessman or a woman and you have some of your pictures that you want to display. You can use them. You can use solid pictures. But then now we are going to free photos. So we want to design something for this class. So let's go to digital. Okay, yeah, digital. So we'll search. Now it has tons and tons of pictures that we can actually use to actually create. So we have to be selecting the ones you want. So let's choose this. Let's choose this. Okay. And you can choose two or more, but we are working with one. Today we're working with one. So please, I hope you understand. So as you're working with one, so I can decide to turn it like this. So it has different sizes. Your Instagram post. So you can decide to use if you just want a square picture, something that is very easy. You can use Instagram, and you could choose here and you press done, and that will be the size of this. So the next step, you can then decide to start editing. You can now decide to start designing. So click on this, double tap, and then we start with free free online. Okay, free online. Okay, so okay, I can decide now. I have different, there are different tools here. So but I want to align it to the left side, so I'll just go to align and change it to left. So I don't like the color because it is in tune with the picture, so I need something that is more revealing. So remember, you have to choose picture that is more revealing. So let's go to color. Okay, now let's go to shapes first, then I can remove the shape and go to color and change it to black. Then go to font. Maybe I don't like the font, then choose something nice and simple. Font nice and simple. Okay, let's choose this. Then I can just increase it a little bit. Now if the spacings are too much, I can go to spacings and reduce the line of the spacings. Okay, and I can just put it here. I'm done here. So so the next step, I want to add an that text. So it all depends on your creativity. So I'm actually designing another flyer for the class. So digital. Okay, full digital. Okay, so I'll mark it. Then I can decide to what, to make sure that it has a shape. So a shape like this or like this. So I can just reduce the size. Can reduce the size. Can reduce the size. Okay. So let's assume I just align it. Let's align it to this side. Let's take it to this side. Okay. Now, okay. Now you have something here, so I can place it under this. Now I can change the font to make it look kind of different. Let's see. I can make it something like this, or you can choose any font to be creative, like your creativity belongs to you, so you know how to do best. So let's I think I'll prefer this. Okay, yeah. So let's see. Okay, or let me just use the same, but I'll just increase the size. Increase the size. So I'll just do a rough design. So but I want to when you are designing yours, I want you to be meticulous with your design. So I'm just making a rough design, so making sure that it's fast. So okay, now the next thing there, please, let's say learn using your smartphone. Okay, then I'll mark it. Okay, now the way it was designed, this app was actually designed to follow your last usage. As you can see, it's still following the last one we used. So I'll go to shape and remove the shapes, and I can make it longer like this, and change the font to something better. Okay, maybe then change the color to maybe black. Okay, then okay, we are there. Then the um next step, so I want to add what we're using. So let's say graphics graphics designing. Let's say graphic designing, copywriting, copywriting, and let's see, what again, video video content content creator creation. Okay, okay, then maybe websites, web web creation. Let's say web creation. Okay, web creation. Okay, then I'll mark it. Yeah, so I have something like this. So I can decide to, I can now, I can decide to what, give it what a shape. Let's say decide to give it a shape, maybe in shape of something like this. Yeah, something like this. And I see that the size is too big. I can also reduce the shape to make it okay. Maybe I'll reduce it to 0. Okay, I have something like this, and I have so I can decide to use something like this. So you can actually use anyone you want, as you can see here. So then okay, I'm done here. So let's say I want to, now mind you, now there's this segment called the watermark SP Adobe Spark. You can actually remove it. You get, so what, how you remove it, you can just click on it. You click on it, then when you click on it, it's going to um okay, I'm trying to click on it. Trying to click on it. Okay, yeah. So it shows something like, so you press remove logo there. So you are done. Okay, now let's add something else. Let's add something else. Let's add something else to this. Now let's okay, in a closed in a closed WhatsApp WhatsApp group. In a closed WhatsApp group. Then my number plus 23481 490 22490. Okay, I can just mark it here. So as I told you, it will follow your last content, your last content, because that's where it was created. So I can change the shape of this. Let's say I can change the shape to something circular. Okay, maybe the size is too big, I can still reduce it, spacing. Okay, the shape is 0. Okay, okay, let's see, maybe I can change the color of text. I change the color of text to white and black. Now these are suggested posts, white and black, or I can inverse it by pressing here, so it will inverse black and white. So anyway, let's see, so let's click on it. So we can actually put it somewhere here, and I can actually make the text let's say left side or middle or left side. Anyhow, let's make it middle. Done. In a closed WhatsApp group. Now mind you, I'm just trying to okay, let's reduce size, okay. Now okay, now you see, I've already designed the flyer, so let's assume I want to add more things just to make it fun. Let's see. Okay, let's see, I'm going to add, I can go to my icon, and let's say click for splash. In your icon you can use anything, you can search for anything. This is splash, search. Then I'll be giving different icon. I'll be giving different icon to actually work with, different icon. So I can decide to use any of them. Let's see, can pick two, this and let's see this or this. I'll add them. So now the data need to be on. So I can just for just design sake, I can just add it here, one here, the other can add one here. So I can actually change the color. Maybe I want to change the color. I can change the color to, let's say, black. Yeah, I can change the color to black and make it less obvious. Take it to the back. Okay, take it like this. Okay, can change this color to be black. Okay, I can also add other effect and other icons. Now I'm just doing this so we know that we can add other things. Let's say okay, icon. So let's see, you can add let's see okay, blur. Let's look for blur, a blur icon. For blur icon, remember this app works on data, so you should make sure that your data is on. So you can use this. Okay, I think let's just work with this. Let's just work with that. Now remember, don't add too many stuff on your, don't add too many stuff on your, I'm just trying to show you what and what can be added to the what and what can be added on the with this app. So let's just add it here. So you see, we've already just created just a flyer as soon as possible. So we can just save, can save and try and prepare another tutorial. Now okay, now I'll briefly explain every aspect of this app. So this art sign, you can add our text, any image, maybe under picture, an icon or a logo. But this logo you have to pay for the app first. You can actually change the color to what so ever color you want, like a color riot or something. So it automatically changes the color, but let's don't go there. So you have your animation. This your app can be used for animation. Maybe I'll show you how to do it when for the text animation class. And now we have your layout and your resize. We can, if you check your layout here, it it shows you different layout when you are dealing with two or more pictures. But this is not suitable for this, so I go for cancel. Now let's assume so I think I'll stop here for today. I'll stop here for today. So I want you all to try and create a flyer, not exactly like mine, but create a flyer of a certain business or anything, any flyer at all with what I've taught. Thank you.